Can I sell a home if it has bad tenants?
Yes, you can sell a home if it has bad tenants. I personally would prefer the tenants not to be in there, but I'll take over the headache. That's not a problem. I'll usually with that situation, I'm going to ask you a few questions about them. I want to know how far behind they are. If there's any, sometimes they can be aggressive, right?
Like define bad.
Yeah,
is the
right,
question.
absolutely. Yeah, but I'll take it over. If they're only a little behind, I might take it over and try to work with the tenant to try to keep them in the house if I can. And if I can't, I'll have to deal with it differently. Whether that's, a lot of times I'll just go to the door and I'll talk to them and I'll try what's called a cash for keys. Hey, I'll give you some money if you're out by a week or 2 weeks or whatever. The money's yours. If not, I might have to go to court. That process might take a while, but you would just be selling the house as it sits. You won't have to deal with them anymore. You don't have to deal with the tenants. You just kind of deal with me. We close, and then it's my problem, my headache, and you're done.
Nice.
Yeah, can't be made easier than that,
No.
right?